24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano certainly is floating at $128,686,041 in an extremely significant manner. ADA especially acquired roughly 1.36% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, or so they generally thought. Cardano's EMA in every practical sense shows an especially descending pattern in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the sort of past week, acquiring 0.55%, which in every practical sense is very huge. The 4th of June 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and in every practical sense attempt to answer these habitually truly got clarification on pressing issues. What basically will be essentially transient cost expectation for Cardano, generally as ADA for the most part wise interest in an unobtrusive manner, Cardano support and opposition levels and so on, which in a real sense is very critical. In any case, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the ADA specialized examination, fundamentally let us sort of discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours. There for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $149,802,649,559 in a significant manner. The kind of absolute exchanging volume by and large stands at $19,987,677,932, which in a real sense is very huge. Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33%, which for the most part is genuinely critical, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,205.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, showing how Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.5% coming to $1,903.61 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how Cardano support and obstruction levels and so forth, which for the most part is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13. Following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP for the most part is up by 3.45 and is of now exchanging at 54 cents in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a quite huge way. These occasions truly show that the market in a real sense is going in a genuinely descending bearing for commonly present moment, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13, following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time period, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Right now, an extremely broad fundamentally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,205.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, showing how Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13. Following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. Support basically is a level at which purchasers explicitly become substantially more dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So support truly is a level at which purchasers basically become in every practical sense all the more extremely dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly is very huge. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which vendors generally become certainly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which most certainly shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Cardano. Cardano execution ADA certainly has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 1.36% in most recent 24 hours. The especially current worth of Cardano sort of is floating at 38 cents with the exchanging volume of $128,686,041 USD in the equivalent time span, which in a real sense shows that market examination over the sort of last 24 hours. There explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital money market to $1,149,802,649,559, which is genuinely huge. The by and large generally market cap for ADA fundamentally is $13,280,364,837 USD, while the coin cost changes 0.55% over the course of the week, showing that help especially is a level at which purchasers basically become kind of more truly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So support for the most part is a level at which purchasers essentially become kind of more dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for the 4th of June 2023 inside a kind of everyday time period truly made sense of underneath, exhibiting that as of now, a fundamentally broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,205.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, showing how Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, which most certainly is genuinely critical. We utilize exceptionally relative strength index, moving truly normal combination and uniqueness, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving truly normal and remarkable moving really normal to generally examine the future development of the Cardano. So Cardano's demand generally shows a sort of descending pattern in an every practical sense, significant way. The ADA, USD moving in every practical sense. Normal combination and difference pointer by and large is demonstrating a present moment most certainly sell sort of sign as the MACD line for the most part is moving underneath beautiful sign line, which essentially implies for the most part bears explicitly are overwhelming on the lookout, which sort of is genuinely huge. While ADA's Williams %R marker truly is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange exceptionally signal in every practical sense is conceivable at this reach in an extremely huge manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and explicitly is attempting to break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength in every way that really matters. Significant way most certainly. The prompt opposition for ADA is somewhat found at 40 cents. And a breakout from this level could especially leads towards the fundamentally next obstruction, which can generally be somewhat found at 42 cents. In every way that really matters. Further appearance how support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers essentially become kind of additional all things considered. Dynamic and in every way that really matters. Prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So support truly is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become all things considered. All the more genuinely dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any in every practical sense, further in a kind of huge way. On the genuinely other hand, in the event that the bear in every practical sense, assume command and ADA value sort of neglects to essentially